and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the Truck.
Leo!
Leo the Truck.
Leo! Scoop! Hello? Something's growing here. Oh!
A ball hit Leia's body. I wonder who's playing soccer.
Huh?
Hello. Toss us the ball.
We should try and play somewhere else. There are vegetables trying to grow here. Look!
Huh?
Uh-oh, the leaves are drooping. The vegetables aren't getting enough water.
Oh, I didn't do anything.
It's not you, Scoop. Vegetables need water to grow, and it hasn't rained in a long time.
Oh, it's hot.
Try watering the patch. The leaves aren't drooping anymore.
Hello?
Hello.
Cars, Leia's found your ball. You can go play soccer again. Lea, are you not going with them? Lea is upset because of the plants. She stayed behind to look after them. But the robots are more than happy to play soccer. Lifty's in goal. You even get hot standing in goal. Let's take a break.
It's time to cool off.
Scoops brought some ice cream. And Leia's carrying some water.
Lea, come play.
I can't. I'm busy. Can't you see that?
What are you doing?
I'm going to save the plants.
Leia's not a player.
Need some help?
I can manage.
Let's keep playing.
Scoop! Careful now. Leia's watering the patches with her big watering can.
It's run out again? The field is just so large.
They'll have to put together a water truck. Its tank can carry lots of water.
Oh?
Did somebody want to help?
Let's go then.
Huh?
Leo the Truck has brought the parts for the water truck. Let's put together the chassis. Let's attach fenders to the frame. These are the axles for the wheels. Two wheels on one side and two on the other. The cabin. The lights. The doors. The water tank. The hose. And the sprinklers. These have to be attached to both sides of the truck.
Hooray! Let's turn it on!
All the robots want to see how the water truck works.
Don't we need to fill the water tank?
Robots, don't fight.
Let's go to the lake.
Come on, don't be upset. Someone else can drive it next time. The purple robot is putting the hose in the water. We're filling up the tank. All done. The trucks come to water the vegetable garden. Look, water's pouring out of the sprinklers. The truck is watering the patches so quickly. Well done, robot.
All the plants have been watered.
Only we're hot now.
If only someone would water us.
The robots have an idea. Driver, turn the truck around. Now we're making a car wash. It's nice to have rain on a warm, sunny day.
Look over here. A rainbow.
Oh, wow.
Hey!
Scoop wants to play soccer.
Yeah.
A brilliant idea. They've watered the vegetables and can all play together.